Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox my order from Lazada. This is Casio Illuminator watch. So join me to check what's inside. Okay. It is sealed very well, so let's just try to open it. There's the watch. This is the receipt. It was on sale. It was supposed to be like around 1,900, but I got it for like 1,195 pesos plus 50 pesos for shipping fee. Okay, so let's check first the module. So it's pretty thick. Let's just read it later on. Let's get started. So oh, it's nice. And this is the, it looks good, I think. Just like it's wrapped with plastic stuff. Let's remove that. Alright, it says Illuminator Casio water resistant for 50 meters. It's good for swimmers, I think. So there's the, what's this, the model, and this is like this. I'm just gonna adjust the time, and yeah.